Good evening, students. Today we will discuss the left questions of worksheet number 1. So we will start with question number 6. Now in question number 6, we have to write the difference of 100 square minus 99 square. For this, I have already told you the techniques. Simple. What you have to do, you have to simply add 100 with 99. When you add 100 with 99, 100 plus 99 equal to 199. If you solve it by doing actual calculation, 100 square, then 19 square, and then subtract, you will get the same answer. So this is the simple trick. Okay, now similarly, if you want to solve this one, 27 square minus 26 square, simply add 27 to 26, you will get 53. One more method is there. You can also apply the formula a square minus b square, a plus b into a minus b. But this is the simple trick. Similarly, this one, 569 square minus 568 square, simply add these two. Now next question is, observe the pattern in the following and find the missing number. So this is the pattern here. 1 to 1 is equal to 22 square upon 1 plus 2 plus 1. So you can see here, in numerator there is 2, so you will take, if there is 1 2, you will take 2 2 and their square, and in denominator there is sum of all the 3 digit, 1 plus 2 plus 1. Okay, now similarly here you can see, here is 3, so you will take 3 times. Similarly, just here you have taken 2 times and its power 2. Similarly here 3 times and its square, and in denominator the sum of these digits, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1. Similarly in this case, so what will be your answer? 4 means 4 times, 1 2 3 4, and it's a square, and in denominator sum of all the digits. Okay, similarly you can do this and this sum. Okay, now next question is question number 8. Which of the following triplets are Pythagorean triplets? Suppose you want to check whether these three numbers are Pythagorean triplet or not. What you have to do? Simply choose the largest number among these. Which is the largest number? This one, 5. Take its square and take the square of the remaining two, 3 square and 4 square. Take their sum. If the sum of the remaining two is equal to the square of the largest number, then these are Pythagorean triplet. Let us check. What is 5 square? 25 is equal to 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16, so 25 is equal to 25. So this is the Pythagorean triplet. Again I am repeating, take the square of the largest number and check whether the sum of the square of the remaining two number is equal to this one, then this is a Pythagorean triplet. Suppose I want to check this, whether this is Pythagorean triplet or not. Now which is the largest number? 8 square is equal to sum of the square of the remaining two, 6 square plus 7 square. 8 square equal to 64, 6 square 36, 7 7 ja 49, 9 or 6 15, 85. So this is not true. This is not true because 64 cannot be equal to 85. So this is not a Pythagorean triplet. Now suppose we want to check this one. Again, which is the largest number? This one, 26 square is equal to sum of the square of remaining two, 10 square plus 24 square. 26 square is 676, 10 square is 100, 24 square is 576, 676. When you add these two, you will get 676. Okay, so these are equal. So it means these are Pythagorean triplet. This is Pythagorean triplet. So with this this worksheet is over. So complete this worksheet. Now in next lecture I will start square root. Thank you very much.